Yeah, hello all, welcome back to our channel guys. And guys, today in this video it's a small video only regarding a Wi-Fi. Actually, I'm using a TP-Link extended Wi-Fi guys. In this video that I'm going to show you that how to block a particular device without using your internet Wi-Fi. Actually, just you can block a particular device and all guys in this TP-Link extender. Not only in extender, you can block a particular device in TP-Link Archer Wi-Fi router also. Just for example, in this video, let's I am using a TP-Link extender, Wi-Fi extender. Just I am going to show you that how to block a particular device in that TP-Link Wi-Fi extender, guys. Actually, you can see here's the smartphone, and here the app, Tether app. Just you need to download and install this Tether app, guys. Just you need to connect with your device. Actually, I'm using Wi-Fi extender only in this app. Actually, just I'm opening it up, and here you can see here is my Wi-Fi extender. Just I am logging in this in my Wi-Fi extender. Actually, here you can see here it shows you the network status client, how many members were currently in online, which this 5 clients device were using my Wi-Fi extender, and my network extender network is here. Actually, just click on that in this 5 client, and here you can see here's the list of devices were using my Wi-Fi extender. Actually, just for example, just I need to block this MITV means we actually just here you can see here's the list of devices were there. For example, just I need to block this particular device, this MITV. Just click on that, and here you can see it's showing MAC and IP address. It will shows you, and connection type it is using 2.4 gigs. And if you need to block means just click on block, guys. It will just automatically get blocked. This device will automatically get blocks, guys, in this Wi-Fi extender. In future they cannot able to use Wi-Fi and all. Even they cannot able to connect this extender. And if you need to unblock the device means just click on this block list. Actually, there is no devices were there in this block list. If you block means the device will get added in this list, and you can unblock here, guys, that particular device in this block list. Actually, likewise you can block and unblock your device whichever you need. Actually, that's good. And this is a small and simple video only, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. You can manage devices and all which are all get connected in this Wi-Fi extender. Actually, and okay guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and do like and subscribe our channel for more videos, guys. Bye. Let's have see you in next video.